Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will show you how to fix windshield crack with a DIY kit like this. Before you have a long crack along the windshield, then it will weaken the glass integrity and you have to replace the whole windshield. So whenever you see a small crack like this, better to fix it as soon as possible. If the crack is new, you can fix it and make it invisible, but when it's an old crack, with every wiper movement, it will push water and dirt inside the crack. So it will be hard to fill the crack with a glass resin and make it look invisible. So this is an old crack, we will try our best to make it invisible. But keep in mind, when the dirt gets inside the crack, it will be impossible to take it out and clean it. And I'm not talking about making a hole and using special drill bit. That will be a different level of experience. Otherwise, you will destroy the glass. So the pro tip is, whenever you have a crack on the windshield, put a tape on it so it doesn't let water and dirt get inside it. So the repair kit comes with instructions, a needle for taking out any loose particles in the crack, a pedestal, syringe, the glass resin for filling up the crack, a plastic film for the last step, some sort of cleaner, here I'm using alcohol, and a microfiber towel for cleaning the surface. If you already have a tape on the glass, we're gonna remove it and start repairing process. And for cleaning, we're not gonna spray alcohol directly on the glass, otherwise it will get into the crack. So we're gonna spray some alcohol on the microfiber towel and clean the glass. Alright, the surface I'm working on is clean. Now I'm gonna put the microfiber towel under the working area and secure it with a wiper blade so it doesn't move. Alright, the first step, we're gonna use the needle and try to take any loose particles from the crack. In my case, there wasn't any loose particles, so we're gonna go to the next step. I'm gonna peel the pedestal and put it exactly on the crack. Make sure the crack exactly places in the center of the pedestal. Now we're gonna make sure that the sticker holding the glass from all corners. Alright, next let's take the syringe and the glass resin. Now we can squeeze it and put 5 to 6 drops of the resin in the pedestal. Alright, next we're gonna put the syringe on the pedestal carefully and pull the handle. And with a little twist, the handle will lock itself. That way it will create a vacuum and pull out any air from the crack. When we create a vacuum in the crack, the only thing will take its place is the resin in the pedestal. So we're gonna give that procedure some time and let it happen. After leaving it for 10 minutes in a vacuum, the resin is clear and bubble free. We can also use a lighter and pull some more air out. This way it will heat up the air and expand in the crack and let it run to the surface. I still see some visible cracks that the resin couldn't get in it. That is because the crack is old and there is some debris in it. Even though I cannot use lighter anymore, otherwise it will expand the crack and make it even worse. So that is it for this step. Now we're gonna pull the syringe. It's not vacuum chamber anymore. Now we will put the syringe back and push the handle. This way it will force the resin into the crack. But make sure not to over push it beyond the limit, otherwise it will leak from the sticker. Then you're gonna have to start the procedure all over again. After leaving the syringe in pushing position for 20 minutes, now we're gonna remove it, and then remove the pedestal. It's important to put few drops of the resin on the crack and then the plastic film. Make sure the crack in the center. We can use a UV light for curing, but I'm gonna leave it under the sun for 2 hours. Alright, now it's been after 2 hours. Now we're gonna remove the film. The kit comes with a blade, but I lost mine, so I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna go around the plastic film carefully till we remove all the film. Now we're gonna have to hold the blade 90 degrees on the surface and scrape out any excessive residue, just like this. And don't worry, it's not gonna scratch the glass. Alright, here is how it looks after repair. With the naked eye it's not that visible. Even when I run my fingernail, I can't feel it. But if it was a fresh crack or I had the tape on it, it would be invisible repair. But overall it's not bad and it's gonna stop from having a long crack along the windshield. Here is the before and after pictures, but remember, if you keep the crack clean, you will have a better result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.